Okay, we're going to do another example using JDoodle. We're going to do the second one. Write a Java program to calculate and print the area of a right triangle with height of 15 and base of 12. The formula for the area of a right triangle is the area equals the height multiplied by the base divided by 2. Okay, so height times base divided by 2, height of 15, base of 12. Let's jump into JDoodle and do our code. So I'm going to go ahead and I get this familiar dialog. I'm going to create a single file. I'm going to start with an example, start coding. Let's just go ahead and get rid of all the boilerplate there. Okay, so now here we go. I'm going to leave this as, you can leave this as my class. I'm actually going to change this. I'm going to call this TriangleSolver. Okay, notice I'm using upper camel case, capital T, capital S. That's because this is the class name. So that I can come in and define my variables. So we have int height equals 15, and the base is going to be 12. Semicolon, int base equals 12. Okay. I declared these as ints. I'm actually going to declare them as doubles because the area is not going to be an even int. And so let's go ahead and declare those as doubles so that we get proper precision. I'm going to say double here is area. Because I'm doing division, I'm not going to get an even number. So I'm going to want to use a double value here. So this is we go back, we see that the formula is height times base divided by 2. So we can do height times base divided by 2. Semicolon, and then we can print that out. System.out. Print line. Okay. Now if we can run this, if we didn't make any mistakes, we should get our output. Okay. We can double check that. We should make sure that that the math is correct, that we're not getting any rounding errors, which we can do that by checking it separately. We could come in and say, let's make this a less even value. So 15 times 12 is giving us a nice value, an even value, 180. And so, but if we come in and say, let's do 15 times 17 here, now we should get something with some decimal precision because 15 times 17 is going to be 255. And so when we divide that by 2, we should get some decimal precision. Let's see if that works. Okay, and this is working. We get our decimal precision 127.5. Okay, let's make sure we save that. Oops, I misspelled that. That's all right. I misspelled triangle when I saved, but that's okay. We can go back to our dashboard and solve that later if we want to. Okay. So now that's the second example there on how to do a quick triangle solver.